Hello guys, welcome back. I'm here again with another video on the WordPress series. So today we'll be setting up the contact us page. As you can see that we had inserted this ready-made page while importing the template. So we'll be editing this page. We'll be putting our own form. Then we'll be inserting the map as per our business. So to insert the form, we need to create the form. To create the form, we will go to the backend. In the backend, we need to search for a plugin by the name WP form. You can take another other versions also, other forms also, but for this demo purpose, we'll be using WP form. So after installing WP form, we'll just go to the WP form section. If you come on the left hand side, you will find something called like this WP form. And if you go to all forms, you will find the all forms that we have previously created. So we'll close this pop. As you can see, there is no forms are there. So we'll create one form. To create one form, you will find a button called add new. We'll click on the button add new. We'll name the form contact us, contact us, and we'll put the date so that we'll remember on which date this form was created, because you will be required to create multiple forms. So we'll take a blank form, create form. So in any form, you will find three basic things. Number one is name. We'll drag and drop the name. So the name boxes are there. There are people who are with their middle name. So we will keep it very simple. So edit that. To edit that, we'll just select this, and we will go to the format section. We'll keep it simple. So you will get a long bar where you can enter your full name. Take it. After that, we will go to the add field again, and we will drag and drop the number. So since the phone number comes under your paid version, so we'll be using a free version. So we'll be taking number, and in the number we'll edit it as contact number or mobile number. So I will be using contact number, and it's mandatory for me. It's mandatory to you fill the phone number, so I will make it required. So after putting name and contact number, third thing we can insert is your email ID. So I will drag and drop the email ID box also, and it's also with the red asterisk. That's mean it's also required. So this is the basic form. Apart from this, you can add a lot of things. If you want to add multiple choice question, you can put a multiple choice question, or if you want to add a single line or paragraph line, you can add from here. So now after creating the form, we'll save it. So now our form has been created. We'll go to the contact page, then we'll click on edit page. So it's coming up. Then we'll click on edit with Elementor, leave. So now this is the contact us page where we will be inserting our form. As you can see, everything is there. So on the left hand side in the search bar, I will search for WP form. If I type WP form, this kind of icon will pop up. So I will just drag and drop it here. So where I want to put the form, and I will delete the previous form. Right, select and delete. So in that WP form box, I will just go and search for the form that I have just created. So this is the form that I have created. I will just select it. So my new contact form will appear in the page. So this is how you can insert form. Okay. Apart from form, we will insert the map also. As you can see, if I click on the map, it will give you a different address. Fifth. So I will do one thing. I will put my current address. That's I will be putting a address by the name of the city I'm living currently. So I will be putting up Mumbai. So the map will appear like this, Mumbai. If you want to make it a small, so I will zoom out it will look like this. It's quite better. So I have my form here and my map here. This is how we can, after this we can publish this. This is how we can insert lead form into our contact us page and also edit the map as per your business. Thank you for watching.